In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to create group in Outlook for email. So first of all, open the Outlook app. So I have this latest version, and on this Outlook app, we need to go to the left hand side, and here you will find this people icon. Just tap on it and you will see the list here, which will show you all of the contacts you have saved on your Outlook. Now I wanna create a group. For that, we need to click on this drop down arrow, which will be next to contact. And then we'll see two options here. From these options, we need to click on this one, which is new contact list. And when you click on it, then it will show you this window. On this window, we need to name our contact list. So I'm just gonna name it team like so. And then here we need to enter the email addresses which you wanna add inside this contact list, or you can say group. So I wanna add all of these three contacts here. So we need to just enter their email addresses. So first one was Rohan. I just need to enter his email address here. Then it will show you the suggestion. Just select that suggestion from here and the first contact will be added like this. And now I wanna add the second one. I just need to repeat the process, select the contact, and the third one was Alex. I need to type his name and then it will show me the suggestion. And just like that, our three contacts has been added here. And now to create a group, we need to click on create, and then the group will be created. You can see all of the contact listed here. And now let's say I wanna send an email to all of these three contacts at once. Then for that, I can just go to this people tab and under it select the group where you wanna send an email. So I'll select that group here, then click on send email under the group name, then type the subject you wanna type here, then just tap on send and the email will be sent to all of your group members. So this is the process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.